something. What are you doing? Kitty, say something. What did you have to eat today? Did you like the food? Did you like the food? Yes, tell me something. Yes, tell me something. Come on, look at me, tell me something. Kitty, say something. Do you want to go on a trip today? Kitty, do you want to go on a walk? Do you want to go on a walk? Yes? Yes, do you want? Say, yes? Do you want to go on a walk? Say something. Yes or no? Do you want to go? Say, Kitty, tell me. Tell me. Yes? Yes. Do you want to stay home? Do you want to stay home? Say something, Kitty. What have you been doing so far? Did you play? Kitty? Kitty, kitty, kitty. 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 Come on, tell me. Did you play today? Kitty. Say something. Are you a fluffy kitten? Kitty, do you want to talk to me? Come on, tell me something. Kitty, tell me something. Tell me something. Come on, say something. Say something. Kitty, tell me, what is your name? What is your name, Kitty? Kitty, say, what is your name? What is your name, Kitty? You don't want to talk to me anymore? Kitty, tell me your name. Kitty, Kitty, say, what is your name? Say, what is your name? I think the interview is over, right, Kitty?